Being a good conversationalist can be a valuable skill in many aspects of life, from making new friends to networking in a professional setting. However, it can be easy to fall into the habit of simply responding to what others say without truly engaging in the conversation. So here are 7 ways to be a more engaging conversationalist. And the first way is to ask open-ended questions. Instead of asking yes or no questions, try to ask questions that require more than just a one-word response. This will encourage the other person to share more and will keep the conversation going. The second way is to be a good listener. It's important to not only think about what you're going to say next, but also to truly listen to what the other person is saying. This will show that you're interested in the conversation and will also give you more to talk about. The third way is to share. Share your own experiences. Don't be afraid to share your own stories and your own experiences in a conversation. This will make the conversation more personal and will also give the other person a chance to relate to what you're saying. The fourth way is to avoid interrupting. Let the other person finish speaking before jumping in with your own thoughts. Not only is interrupting rude, but it can also prevent the conversation from flowing naturally. The fifth way is to be open-minded. Don't be so focused on your own point of view that you dismiss what the other person is saying. Instead, try to be open to their perspective and consider their ideas. The sixth way is to use body language. Non-verbal cues, such as nodding your head or making eye contact, can be a powerful way to show that you're engaged in the conversation. And the seventh and last way is to be positive. No one wants to have a conversation with someone who is constantly negative. Instead, try to focus on the positive aspects of the conversation and bring a sense of enthusiasm to the conversation. By using these tips, you can become a more engaging conversationalist and improve your interactions with others. Whether you're making a small talk at a party or having a deep conversation with a friend, being a good conversationalist can help you connect with others and enrich your relationships.